Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Simple Simi in California. It's my first day of classes at Cal State San Bernardino today and इतना difficult लग रहा है CSUSP बोलते हुए because I'm so used to saying Chaffee College all the time. So I'm gonna record everything how it goes for me for the first day of classes and we'll look what do we have to offer in this video for you guys. See you. Around 11 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm gonna quickly go take a good shower, get dressed and leave for Harleen's house at 12 because I have two things to print from her house. That's one is college map. I always think it's handy to have one in your hand, though they have a lot of college maps in the campus, but still you should have your own where you can mark where are your classes. Second thing is I do have to print my parking permit, temporary parking permit, so I'll print that and from there I'll have my lunch and then go to CSUSP and I have a rapid COVID testing which I have to do there. Cargo pants, sports shoes, very nice comfy tee, and there we go. My bag, my water bottle and my mask, all set to go.
Have a great first day, Simran.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I have marked all my classes like this and I'm gonna leave and it's 30 minutes drive and we have arrived to our destination. Here I'm gonna get my COVID rapid test done. One interesting fact, this testing will be my 10th or the 11th time I'll be getting tested for COVID. I don't know how many more times do I really need to get tested now, but let's see how it goes. Thank you. So this is just a 20 minutes parking. It's always advisable to park next to your to the closest parking where your last class will be. So we're gonna check the map again and see where is my last class and then park there. Here is my last class, physical science building, which is here. I am here, so we have to park here. Successfully parked my car at the nearest parking lot. Oh god, this is tiring. This is where the first class is, Chaparral Hall. I'm done with my class for my organizational psych and I just got my school ID and that's done and I'm heading for my next class which is in 15 minutes in the physical science building now. Day 1 of the classes is over. After 18 months I was back on campus and that too on a different campus. So it was good, exciting. I just hope cases go down and we don't see any more cases. So the classes stay like this. I'm heading back to my car and done for the day. It was my day 2 of the classes today and I'm really upset because I got 30 minutes late for my first class and not because I was late on campus. मेरी class 1 o'clock शुरू होनी थी and I was there at campus at 12:30. But I couldn't find a parking spot. I was in the wrong parking lot. It's so messed up. Anyways, first class I was late. Second is in next 1 hour. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. I don't know. Why is this changing to a new campus so difficult? I wish सब चेफी जैसा होता. But anyways, I'm trying my best कि सब समझ आए क्या हो रहा है. Not a good day today. Not a good day. कुछ खाती हूँ तो I might feel better. Day 3 of my classes. It's 12 o'clock. My class starts at 4. I have packed my lunch. I'm gonna leave for campus right now because kal I was super pissed कि I got so late for the class. So I'm going early. I'm gonna go explore the campus. But most importantly, I'll go edit my YouTube videos because I know after the first week, the pressure starts building and you don't get time to catch up on other stuff. So I'm gonna finish the YouTube videos and I'll just leave right now. One thing I'm really grateful about is that I've got the chance to get my LASIK done from India because धूप इतनी ज़्यादा है and campus पे walk इतनी ज़्यादा करनी पड़ती है कि all the time आपको लगता है कि shades लगे होने चाहिए. तो I think ये 2021 का best decision था. वीडियो एडिट करते करते पता ही नहीं लगा कि कब 4 o'clock हो गए. ऑलमोस्ट टाइमर भी बजा था बट मुझे था 2-3 मिनट और कर लेते हैं, आज ख़त्म कर लेते हैं. वन मोर थिंग विच यू विल नोटिस इज कि सब बच्चों ने ऑन कैंपस, चाहे वो आउटडोर्स हैं या इंडोर्स हैं, मास्क लगा रखे हैं. इवन हमारी कैंपस की पॉपुलेशन 68% जो है वैक्सीनेटेड है फुली, नॉट इवन पार्शली. फिर भी सबको मास्क इंडोर एंड आउटडोर इज़ मैंडेटरी. अगर खाना खा रहे हो तो बात अलग है, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू वेयर योर मास्क. आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो तो 1 मिनट का एक्सक्यूज़ है. 10 मिनट्स पड़े हैं अभी 7 o'clock होने में एंड कैंपस खाली खाली होने लग जाता है बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव देयर क्लासेस इन द मॉर्निंग. लाइक जो ज़्यादा काम नहीं करते हैं या जो ओल्ड नहीं है, यंग है. सिंस मैंने 6 क्लासेस ली हैं तो मेरी क्लासेस थ्रू आउट द डे है एंड आई एम हेडिंग फॉर माई सेकेंड क्लास नाउ. I'm leaving really early today because I have a PE class. It's a physical education class for yoga and it starts at 9, so I'm going early so I can be there like half an hour early and finish that. And then I have 2 more classes today, so I have 3 classes in total today. So it's a busy day today. See you guys. I was trying to find out a place where I can go and put my lunch bag in, because I got Indian food and I was like, it shouldn't get spoiled because of the weather variations. So I was looking for different places, and my professor, he suggested that I should go and look something in the student union. And when I came to the student union, I was able to find this really cool center. It's called the Women Resource Center. It's awesome. There's so many resources out there. I mean, I'm now getting to know that there's a lot which this campus has to offer. I'm going for my second class, which is a business and governance class. So I'm gonna go for that. You guys must be wondering that why do I need to take a business class? It's because at CSUs also you have to take couple of higher level GE classes, and this class was really interesting and it was like similar to my major, so that is why I took this class. It will help me see more into business and business psychology and what does the government do and stuff.